Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga at home during lockdown. Let's begin. Sit down, open your knees about mat width, toes touch, sit on your heels. Inhale, exhale, walk your hands forward, stretch your arms, and forehead down on the mat. Take a child pose. It's called Birabhatrasana. Make sure tip of your finger reaching forward. Tailbone down on your heels. Get the maximum stretch and start cultivating Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Just stay there. Just observe your breath. Now, let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Let's pedal your feet to stretch your calves. Make sure to keep your gaze between your legs. Shoulders away from ears. Okay, now sway your hips to the side. To get good stretch on your side of your body. Now a little bit. Relax your neck to release any tension around the shoulders and neck. Good. Now inhale, right leg swing up. And exhale, step between your hands. And back heel up, keep your hips square. And lunge pose. Interlace your fingers. Inhale, exhale. A little bit back bend here. Make sure to keep your back leg very strong. Keep back heel pressing against invisible wall. Open your heart. Lift up your sternum. Use your exhale to sink your hips down. About 5 breaths or so. Release. Now straighten your knee. Inhale, let's take Birabhatrasana B, Warrior 2. Inhale, open your arm. Try to keep your arm, shoulder one line. And exhale, front knee bent and don't collapse front knee to your pinky. Back heel, outer edge of back foot pressing down. Ground yourself. And look straight. Shoulder blades together. Strong back leg. And from here, without moving front knee, reverse warrior, peaceful warrior. Gaze up. Tip of your finger, reach. Front knee forward and back leg strong and press them down. Breathe, inhale through the nose, out through the nose. Soften your shoulders and release. Now straighten both knees and let's take Trikonasana. Inhale, arm stretch out and reach. And floor. One hand floor or ankle, or shin. And your neck is okay, gaze up. Make sure forehead higher than your chin to align your neck. Make sure to keep your back foot and in 45-degree in. Keep your shoulders, top shoulder rotated backward, bottom shoulder forward. Top hip rotated backward, bottom hip rotated forward to keep your back hips in one plane. And after deep 5 breaths, come back. Now keep your hips square, both knees straight. Let's do twisted Trikonasana, triangle pose. Inhale, lift up one hand, and exhale, start twisting from your belly to the top, and slowly, gently like a feather, one hand down on the floor or block, and other hand to the sky. Make sure back heel, check out your back heel not lifting up, back heel grounding down. Press it down to the floor. And both kneecap don't loosen up. Both kneecap lifting up. Use your thigh muscle to keep this pose. Make sure to breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. Always cultivate Ujjayi Pranayama. And keep your hands back to your hips. Look straight and swing your hands up. And very good. Okay, now bring both palms down. And let's bring front leg to the back. Downward. Let's do the other side. Inhale, left leg up. And step between. Back heel up. Keep your hips square. Inhale, interlace your hands and little arch. Soften your shoulders. Soften your neck. Lift up your heart. Shoulder blade together. Back heel pressing against invisible wall, very strong. Strong back leg. Make sure front knee don't collapse. Reach to the pinky. Reach your hands up to the sky. And now release, both knees straight. Inhale, open your arms, shoulder blades together. Make sure to keep your arms one line, align with your shoulders. And bend your knee, warrior two, Birabhatrasana, B. Please ground yourself. Use earth to gain power and confidence. Make sure crown is into the sky. Tip of your fingers reaching opposite way to extend your arms. From here, without changing your knees, reverse warrior. Make sure don't tense up your shoulders release. Back heel pressing down very strong. The outer edge of back foot, press it down. Front toe, wide spread and down. Ground your legs. And release. And straighten both knees. Inhale, arms up. This is Trikonasana. Reach front fingers forward. And like a feather, gently bring your hand to the floor or on the block. Or you can hold your ankle or shins. And if your neck is okay, gaze up. Make sure keep your forehead higher than your chin so that you strengthen your neck and align your neck. Make sure to keep your shoulders, hips in one plane. Rotate it, top shoulder backward, top hip backward, and bottom hip and bottom shoulder forward, one plane, as if you are standing against an invisible wall. Make sure to breathe. Elongate your spine. Tailbone to the crown. Reach in the opposite way to create space. And now, back and release. Let's keep your hips square. Inhale, bring your right hand up. And exhale, start twisting from your belly button to the top, to the crown. And slowly, gently, like a feather, bring one hand, right hand down. Then you can keep your left hand on your hips. But if you want, reaching your left hand toward the sky, make sure, check this knee, don't loosen up. Kneecap, both kneecap lifting up. Use your thigh muscle to engage. And back heel, don't lift up. Back heel pressing down very strong, firmly. Use the ground. Use the earth to gain the power. Check out your forehead higher than your chin. The finger reaching to the sky as if you try to reach something upward. Now gently bring hand down and back. So from here, let's bring both palms down. Let's take high plank pose. Heel to ground, one line, use your core. Inhale, exhale, slowly chaturanga dandasana. And inhale, Upper Mukha Shavasana, upper facing dog. Make sure to keep your neck long. And exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Let's take 5 deep breath here. Inhale, exhale for 1. Both heels grounded to the earth. Tailbone high to the sky. Inhale, exhale for 2. 10 toes, palms. 10 fingers open wide and press them down. Inhale, exhale for 3. Just a bit closer to your thighs. Inhale, exhale for 4. Shoulders away from ears to create space. Inhale, exhale for 5. Inhale on your toes, look forward or step or jump. Inhale, Adho Uttanasana, halfway up. Tailbone to the crown, one line to create space. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward bend. And inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands heart center and Namaste. Okay, let's sit down there. Dandasana, both knee straight and flex your toes. Inhale, reach and over. Make sure hinge on your hips. You can keep your hands to the side on the mat. Grab your ankle or toes. Inhale, reach and exhale over. Inhale to lengthen your spine to create space. Make sure to keep your tailbone down, crown reaching to the opposite side. And exhale, soften your chest, soften your shoulders, soften your neck. Let's keep cultivating Ujjayi Pranayama. Keep flexing your toes. Just observe your breath. Put any thoughts or concern or to-do list outside of your room. Just stay there, be there, focus on now and here. Inhale halfway, exhale back to neutral position. Let's lay down on your back. And bring both knees close to your armpit and bend your knees. And you can grab behind your knee to bring your knee close to your chest or shins, ankle, or if you are flexible, try to grab both feet. Happy baby. Okay. Yeah, a little bit, let's shift side to the side. To give yourself nice back massage. Now back to center. Inhale, exhale, a little bit press your knee to your chest. Inhale, get a lot of air and exhale, release. Empty the air. Deep, long breath. And now release your legs. Straighten. Inhale and exhale. Take final pose of Shavasana. And take a deep breath and exhale, let it go. During lockdown, it can be difficult to exercise. But this sequence is designed for that purpose. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!